get through. I still have you on my mind, my mind.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Claire Moy and welcome to my channel. Let's jump right into this hair tutorial because baby, I am here with a durable kinky straight 360 lace frontal wig that is pre-bleached and pre-plucked. I'm talking about the knots, baby. And this unit is from a company called ft'Atina.com. Now, I did, however, go in and customize the unit myself. I went, well, not myself, well, yes, myself. Well, it was already pre-plucked and pre-bleached, but I went in and I bleached the knots more, which is why you can see like the blonde around the hairline, because you know I messed it up a little bit, but it turned out beautiful. So instead of me, after I noticed that the front of my hair, that I had gotten bleach on the front of my hair, I just kept it. I was like, yo, this is fire. This looks good. So I just kept it, and I did not pluck this hair. The hairline you see is how Atina's units come. And even though this unit is normal lace, they do have the crystal. They do have the clear crystal lace that will make this unit look even more natural. So what I'm using right here is the normal lace, which as you can see looks amazing. But Atina Hair also provides the crystal clear lace. So Atina, if you're watching this, which I know you are, you know, hook your girl up with a clear crystal lace so I could do a review. Because I know if this wig looks good, I know the crystal lace is even better. So yeah. With that being said, beauties, make sure you check out the description box because you already know I'm gonna have discount codes. Duh. And leave me some comments if you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it.
No saying sorry, it might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. She wanna know me, I stay low.
All right, beauties, so I curled my hair using my curling wand because I just wanted different type of curls. So let's take, actually this is the look that I'm going for. Let me show you. I saw it on Instagram and I just love it. Where is it? This is the look I'm going for. So that's why I do have more baby hair than I normally would. Anyways, but I feel like they definitely use a curling wand for this, for those type of curls. So I curled everything and now I'm going to curl the front of my hair. Ew, that's longer. You need to be shorter, honey. This piece of hair right here, let's leave it a little bit longer. Okay.
All gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay.
All right, beauties, so this is the final look. I love it. I love it. And I'm really starting to, and I love the baby hair. Like, I'm getting really good at baby hair. Shout out to ft.Atina hair. This is their kinky curly straight hair that I styled and profiled. Baby, I did what I had to do, okay? And all the information for this unit will of course be in the description box. So make sure you check that out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good.